Yeah, so let's start and see about tea time. Yeah, so today we're going to see UK49 tea time. I think I am available to do it. And thank you for watching the previous video. We're going to do it. So today we're going to see the strategy that can help us to win tea time. Please remember subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This is my WhatsApp group phone number in case you want to watch. Don't watch anything. 06777298041 is the phone number. You're asking about watching. So now we're going to use our number which are sitting in numerical order. You take this number which are sitting here and you do minus. So when you do minus, you can see that 6 was sitting here. All right, let me do it. When you do minus here, it's 1. When you do minus here, it's 6. When you do minus here, it's 18. So we are expecting 18. All right. So that was the first one. And also, before we used to take this number, we did minus here. Then you add a number which is sitting in the front. A number which was sitting in the front was 3, meaning that you have a 9. 9 you're gonna do minus, it's gonna give you 36. So we're expecting also 36, which didn't show up. All right, let's see here. 1 3, for example. Yeah, when you do minus 1 plus 2 is 3. You pray that 3 and that 1 and the 3, you add the number which is sitting here or do minus. So that's where you add. Then 23 was the number we're expecting with 3 and 1. So the fact that the second number didn't vary here because 18 was already sitting there, or 18, sorry, 18 is sitting there, but you can still add the number, then you get 20. We can play 20 on tea time, right? Then we're going to 20, we can do minus here, because if we add the numbers together, it's gonna be over 50. It's gonna be 51. We can still use 51 as a 15, or we can do minus and play 11. All right, so we have a 20, no, we have 18, 20 and 15 or 11 coming from this strategy, guys. So this is only one strategy that you can use. And let's go to the next one. The next one, you're gonna put your numbers in the draw order. The next one, you put your numbers in the draw order, guys. Put your numbers where in the draw order. So for putting the number in the draw order, I'm only gonna use the number which is sitting on the second seat. So I would like to see if the strategy worked, guys. Remember, they can use the number on the next note. For example, if I use a 40, I'm gonna take a 45, add the 5. If I take the number 45, sorry, add the 4. If I add it, it's gonna be 49. Remember, this number can still play or either on Betway or here. So this 49 came on Betway. Then 49, I'll take this number and do minus 10, because if I do add 10, it's gonna be 69. So I'm adding it there. I'm adding, doing minus, and I have a 39. Then 39, you do minus, you do add the 3, because if you add, it's gonna be the number which is below 49. So we're gonna have a 42, right? So these are the number 49, 39, and 42. 42 came here, which was the third number. This strategy will give you 1 or 2 numbers. Ne? All right, let's go. 24. Add the 4 is 28. Add the 10 is 38. Add the 3 is 31. So we're having, this is the number of this beginning: 28, 38, and 31. 28, 38, and 31. Those are that is the other number for tea time. Let's move. Let's move. That was the one which we used, and it's working most of the time. All right. So now we're having the number which is sitting there. Okay, so this one. Now we're taking the bonus ball. We're taking the bonus ball. uh, then we use it here on the date. So if I take this one, it's gonna give me 34 or 43, which played here. Then if I use this one, it's gonna give me 16. They are liking it to do spin the number. That's where 19 came from. Then if I use the date and the bonus of tea time is gonna give me 13. 13 is sitting there and also sitting here. Did you notice it? All right, let me just repeat it once again because some people they're gonna comment I don't understand. All right, you take the date and the bonus, right, and you add them together. So the date 12 plus the bonus 4 equal to 16. 16 is sit here as 19 because when you spin is 16, it's gonna be 19. 16 is spinning to, it's gonna be 19, right? Alright, bonus borrow 1 and the date 12. 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. 13 when you spin is 31. You play those numbers. So I have a 13, 31, 16, 19 here. So they gave a two number on T. So let's see what's happened today. Today we have a date 13. 13 and this one is 27. Then this one, when you do it, it's gonna be what? 32. 32 is 23. So on tea time we are expecting it 27 and 23 or 32. They can still use both as well. Yes. So those are the other strategy that you can still use to play these numbers. And remember, when you are playing it to make money, you better raise your voucher than buying a voucher every day. So how do you raise your voucher? You have to play singles, then you play two numbers, and play three numbers only if you have the remaining voucher, because you are here not to buy voucher every day. That day you become addicted. So you just have to go slowly. Don't rush. Don't rush. All right. The other strategy that I noticed on tea time that they like to use, they like to use this one. They take this number which have the same color. It's not always they, but they like to use it, which have the same color and do plus or minus. If I do plus the 7 and 4, color blue have a 7 and 14, which can give us 21 or 7, because 21 if you add 21 or 7 if you do my among these 6 7 8, they can repeat one number. All right, let's go. Then the color purple is gonna give us 47. When you do minus, gonna give us 35. Those are also the other way to calculate. Then the color 20 color orange, or what, this is orange. Oh yeah, 24, and that one it's gonna give me 21. So we have a 21, 7, 47, 35, and 21, 7, 47, and 35. 40 time using the same colors ball. The colors ball, color purple, orange, blue. Green is around. It's not always that you're gonna use it, but they mostly gonna use it. Alright. So let's say, for example, tea time. This when you do minus, it's 7. 7 is sitting there on today's lunch, right? When you do minus here, it gave me 14. 14 is sitting there on lunch, right? So that is how it is. And on lunch here, it's giving me 14. 14 is sitting here. So yeah, so that is how also you can do it. And the bonus plus bonus, bonus minus bonus as well, it's working. When you add the 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 came. This one is 33. It's gonna give us 33. We can still expect 33 to play on a tea time. If you do minus, it's 5. 5 or 33, because sometimes they do bonus plus bonus, bonus minus bonus, right? So thank you. Bye bye.